cubes. So we will apply the same method. The only difference is the sign in the middle. So instead of positive, it will be negative. So first, form the binomial. The cube root of x cubed is x. So instead of positive, we will put negative. And then the cube root of 1 is still 1. Next, you're ready to form the trinomial. So, square the first term of the newly formed binomial, x squared. Multiply the first and the second, it will be negative x. Make it positive, so that's positive x. Next, square the last term. So, negative 1 squared is positive 1. So, the factored form for x cubed minus 1 is the quantity x minus 1 multiplied by the quantity x squared plus x plus 1. Next example, 8x cubed minus y cubed. So first, form the binomial. The cube root of 8x cubed is 2x. The sign in the middle is negative. The cube root of y cubed is y. Next, form the trinomial. Square the first term, 4x squared. Multiply the two terms, 2x times negative y is negative 2xy. Make it negative, so that will be positive 2xy. Next, square the last term. The square of negative y squared is positive y squared. So the factored form for 8x cubed minus y cubed is the quantity 2x minus y multiplied by the quantity 4x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Next, we have c raised to the 6th power minus 27d raised to 9. So get the cube root of c raised to 6. That will be c squared minus the cube root of 27d raised to 9, that's 3d cubed. Next, square the first term. C squared squared is c raised to the 4th. Then multiply the two terms. That will be negative 3c squared d cubed. And then make it negative, so that's positive 3c squared d cubed. Lastly, square the last term. So, negative 3d cubed squared is positive 9d raised to the 6th. So, the factored form for c raised to 6 minus 27d raised to 9 is the quantity c squared minus 3d cubed multiplied by c raised to the 4th plus 3c squared d cubed plus 9d raised to the 6th.